Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Cotton Candy Doll. We're gonna pick up where we left off from our last video at the end. We're going to go into the database, which is up here next to this little puzzle piece next to this. I hope you guys can see my mouse. Sorry guys. I hope you guys can see my mouse. Okay, so left click on the database. Alright, remember how I said we were gonna put some items? We're gonna do that. So left click on items. This has reserved below our spaces you would like to display above recovery items. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete this where it says also we're under items guys. So actor skills classes items 001. We're going to put wine. After all, there's a pub. Next thing you're going to do so we're going to put made from grapes. Oops, sorry guys. Made from grapes. This is going to be this description of our item. Then you're going to go to icon, you're going to left click on it twice. We're going to go down and we're going to find something that looks like wine. Where are you? I know that you are here. I actually don't know that it's here. I've actually had a lot of disappointments with this. Doesn't look like there's any wine. If there's not any items you want on the game, you can import them into your game too later. Like you see this key icon? We can do that. Or okay, so you're gonna, yeah, they don't have wine. So can't believe they don't have any wine or beer. It's supposed to be a pub. They probably do. I'm not gonna look through all of it right now. We're gonna just say bread because I know I saw that. And we'll put made with flour and milk. Of course, you need way more than that to make bread. All right, let's go back to our icon, left click on it. This is just to show you guys really quick. There's our loaf of bread. Find it. It's in like the brown one. Just left click on it and press OK. Ta-da! That's our. Now we just did that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the end. Left click on the end. We're going to go to the lady over here. We're going to right click on her. Stay with me, guys. So we can't click on her until we click the event button, which is up here. Now she's like out of the shadows. She kind of like blend in with the floor. Press edit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to where it says change. We're gonna go to where it says shop processing, magic water, miracle drop. So right click on it. We're gonna edit it. Our merchandise right here, that's magic water. We'll change miracle drop. So right click on it, edit it. When we go to our item, it should be number 1 and it should be bread. So scroll to the top. Oops, sorry. Scroll to the top. What the heck? Click on bread. Left click on bread. And then we're going to specify bread is like $10 or something. Alright, and then you're going to press OK. And obviously you can't find bread on the ground. It says purchase only. And it says rent a room right here. It says stimulant 1. We don't actually have a key yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to just press OK. Now we're going to go back to our database. Left click on the database again. The one with the puzzle. We're going to make the key number 2. So we're going to say, we're going to make this a room key. Left click on the item twice. I hope there's more than one key. If someone plans on like actually buying this game, I hope there's more than one, because so far I only see one key. In the other games they have, I mean not in the other games. In the engine I use, they have a bunch of different ones you could choose from, and you could choose what kind of key you would hand out. All right, the description. A key to a room at the end. Oh, the end. Yeah, I must be tired, guys. At the end. All right. And this item, this is a regular item. No, this is a key item. When it says item type, guys, at the bottom, we change it. I left the bread as a regular item because no, it's not consumable. And the price is going to be $300. It's an expensive hotel. None. Oh, I didn't even go into detail about what I was doing. Sorry, guys. So scope and occasion is always. This isn't something you can always do. An ally is not going to randomly just have the key, or an enemy is not going to have the key randomly to a room. So we're going to put none. Okay. Then you're going to press OK. Here, it's getting in my. Occasions are not always. It's like never. Okay. Now we're going to go to OK. We're going to go back. We're going to go save it now. So go save. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create an event here. This is going to be a key unlock event. So this room is not actually big enough for that yet. We need to go back to our map, which is next to our event. Left click on it. Scroll down. Find this part that matches again. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this. There's one table and one chair. That's good enough for a room, right? Not. Of course it's not. Alright, let's go find the top of this part so that it matches our area. Scroll up some. And then we're going to do, so, probably not big enough. It might be. You know what? I did that. Yeah. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to, we're going to basically create a locked door. Let's go to A. We actually don't even need to do any of this, guys. They don't have the same, I'm not going to say anything. So we're going to go and we're going to, for this part here, we're going to add a door here, but it's going to be locked. So you can't get in unless you have a key, and she has the key. So you have to buy it from her, and it costs $300. So we gotta make sure that we visit our chest on the way in here. This is part of our game. So left click on the event tab, which is in between these two. I think you guys should already know where it is by now. Right click on the square, it's new. And we're gonna call this room. Now go over here, right click, press new. And then we're gonna do a conditional. A flow control right here. All of this stuff over here in this section, it's important. Left click on conditional branch. Okay, you see this? This is how you control what happens to the area. So, item, find key, room key. Left click on it. Create else branch. Okay. Alright, this is all you have to do. so you don't get confused. If party has room, key, new. It's gonna transfer player here. And then we want him to, okay. Now we want him to be facing downward, so direction, he just walked in, down. Okay. If the party has room key, they can get in. And then for the else, it'll say new. We'll go out to 1, and it's gonna say you don't have a key. And it's gonna pop up at the top. Oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna leave the window exactly how it is. You don't have a key. There we go. And then for this, okay, never mind. For this, we're gonna add a door. What did our end look like? Yeah. Oh. All right. So this is how this event is gonna happen. If we have a key, we'll get transferred to the room. If not, we won't have one. And I'm gonna do okay. All right. So this is the room key. All we gotta do is test it out. So save the project. I think the room is let's right click on, I think we're still in the events tab, guys. Right click on the room. Let's cut it. And let's place it here above above where it was. Just paste it. And there you have it. Just how will we get out though? This game for some reason. Anyway, we're gonna test it. Let's just test it anyway. Alright, so press play. We're gonna try to go into the room without using a key, see what happens. And I'm trying to keep the video as short as possible, guys, okay? That way you don't die trying to learn from me. Ideally, it would have been better to make the room where the piano is. Just replace that with like the bed. Put the bed and stuff in there. This is just for like testing it out though. We can change all of this later. Guys, I have 17 days left in this trial. I believe I can buy my other game engine. Probably just buy it today. Alright, so remember guys, we gotta go to this chest, okay? We're a millionaire now. Alright, let's go to the end. And the end is way over here. Alright, we're gonna try to go to the door. You don't have a key. Talk to her. How may it be of service? Thanks so much. You don't have a key. Lady, we just bought the key from you. What are you talking about? I know exactly what we did wrong. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click on her, this lady, edit. We're gonna change our stimulant item into the key. So right click on where it says change items, edit, go down. See. Which item is our key? Was it 2? 2. You know. And we'll make a consistent variable. We'll say okay. Change items. And so guys, normally what we would do is we would put, and it will take too long, we would do a unconditional branch like this one up here. We would put not this type of conditional branch, the one for the door. So the if and else. So it would say if he has $300, he can get the key. If he doesn't have it, it'll say he can't get the key, something like that. But for right now, we'll just make her give him the key since we didn't put that in there. I am trying to make this video not complicated for you guys. I hope I'm not making it complicated. You guys understand what I just did, right? I hope so. Alright, so we're going to save it. Let's play the game again. Let's try the game out. This time we don't need any money. We didn't actually need any money because she's not going to sell a key. She's going to like give it to us. We could just make her sell it, but I feel like anybody shouldn't be able to just rent a room in that inn. Somebody that's like, what if it's like a monster and they come in, they're like, I want to, well, you know, monster's probably nice. Okay. Alright, let's come up here. Let's talk to her again. Hi, lady. Hey, we should be able to get in the room now. No, we don't want to buy food from you. We want to get a room. Thanks so much. Alright, so now we should appear in the room. Ta-da! We're in the room. It worked. Yay. Now we have no way to get out. You do is kind of the same thing. I would actually make the exit somewhere else. Just because to make it so much more easier for you. You could also change the door image so that it pops up here and it disappears up from up here. We can do it that way too. But I will do like something like that in my next video. In my next video, we're going to do a lot more with this. We'll probably end up just building like another room too. We'll even create like we'll create like a small like waterfall town. Something I've been working on. And like I said, I haven't had a lot of time to play around with this engine. So I don't know a whole lot about it. It's decent. I like the other engine better. Just because, like, for example, when you walk up to people, they actually like turn and they like look at you and it looks like you're talking to them. You know, they don't keep walking and you have to like ghost through them. Like this game has had to do so many times. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.